to.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Mia and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm gonna be doing a weigh-in. I'm gonna let you guys know how much weight I lost this week, but first, a booty workout. Surprisingly, it has worked for me and it has really grown my glutes. I will show you pictures of mine like before and after, and you guys will see that it definitely does work.
Let it flop, shake it freely. And I don't tell stories, I let them tell themselves. And you ain't gotta sell, girl, it sell itself. Like
nothing else. Yeah, I'm a country boy, but that big city bottom fill me up with joy. Ain't instantaneous, live it up, Betty. Here go the whisper song, baby. This is us, ready? Put it on me, enthusiastically. Whatever it is that you do it admirably. I choose it. If they chose me, it's motherfucking like gang all the way. Stuff really works.